In this video, we're going to work through the solutions to Accounting 101, Chapter 1, Worksheet numbers 13 and 14. So let's go. Number 13, total assets of charter company equals $700,000 and its equity is $420,000. What's the liabilities? Well, here's the accounting equation. Right, there's the accounting equation. So we know the assets are 700, the equity is 420. Liabilities must be what makes the right side equal the left side. So 700 minus 420, I believe, is $280,000. That sounds pretty good. $280,000. Okay. B, total assets of Martin Marine equal $500,000 and its liability and equity amounts are equal to each other. So what's the amount of the liabilities? What's the amount of the equity? Well, the assets, 500, equals the liabilities plus the equity, and they're equal to each other. I think it has to be 250 each, doesn't it? There you go. Does that make sense? If they're equal to each other, they each must be half of 500. So there you go. Number 14. Use the accounting equation to compute the missing financial statement amounts. Okay, so let's see. If assets are 75 and equity is 40, assets must, so something must go here that when you add to 40, you get 75. I think that's 35, isn't it? 35 plus 40 is 75,000. There you go. How about the second one? We don't know what the assets are, but we know it's equal to our liabilities plus our equity. So if I add my liabilities of 25 plus my equity of 7, my assets better be, I think, 25 plus 70 is $95,000, huh? Make sense? And lastly, assets are 85, liabilities are 20. So what's equity have to be? Well, we have to put a number here that if we add it to 20, we get 85. What plus 20 equals 85? How about 65? Does that make sense to you? There you go. Okay, let's see if we can do this second one. This is a little trickier. I know my assets are 40. Now, look on the right side. I've got not only my liabilities and my equity, but I've got some things here that adjust them. Remember, owner withdrawals reduce my equity. Revenues increase my equity because I'm receiving money, and expenses reduce my equity. So let's see what we can figure out here. My assets were 40, my liabilities were 16, my capital was 20. That's 36, huh? Minus expenses, 36 minus expenses is 24. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take my 16, right, plus my 20, right, minus the expenses of 8. 16 plus 20 is 36, minus 8 is 28. 28 from 40 gives me $12,000. So that's equal to 28. I'm going to take 40 minus 28 equals $12,000. Right? So my right side was 16 plus 20 is 36, less expenses, 36 minus 8 is 28. It has to equal 40. 40 there, 28 there means I need 12 in revenues to make it balance out. Let's do one more. assets are 80, liabilities 32, capital 44. So my right side has to equal the left. I can't change the 80. So let's see. 32 plus 44 is 66. 66 plus 24 is 90. And 90 minus 18 is, 72. I don't think I'm doing it right. Let's do that again. What's my withdrawals have to be? I'm going to take the 32, okay, plus my 44, okay, plus the 24 revenues, minus the 18 expenses, right? So 32 plus 44 plus 24 minus 18 equals 82, right? What's it have to equal? Has to equal 80. So I must have taken 2,000. So 82 minus 80 means $2,000 in withdrawals. Okay? Just getting comfortable with the accounting equation. Okay, I think I'm going to lie here and let's just move right on to number 15. No, let's not. We'll do it in its own.